All right, we're going to do a demo of VolteoEdge's application called Business Central. This is an application built on ServiceNow for connecting operational technology assets out in the field, monitoring all the events, data, telemetry, and image feeds and video feeds from the field, and then providing analytics on top of that to improve the operations of those assets. This application gives you complete visibility into how your field assets are operating, provides a layer of analytics in the cloud to highlight issues on those assets that need to take action. It integrates directly with field service management through work orders, health and safety, as well as customer service management. So you not only understand what's happening in the field, but the flows are set up to help you immediately take action. This helps drive cost savings through predictive and preventive maintenance. So let's take a look at the application here. So all of our workspaces in this application are built around the same concept for physical assets in the field. So we have a map showing where the projects are located, and under each one of these projects is a grouping of assets. Then you can see across the top here we have Edge Alerts. So Edge Alerts use our cloud-based rule engine and streaming analytics to generate Edge Alerts that may require action. And then from there we have flows already built in to automatically be able to generate operational incidents, which are our form of similar to an ITSM style incident for operational technology. And then from there, flows that will automatically generate work orders or health and safety alerts. In this case, we're looking at the industrial workspace. So this is modeled after one of our clients that's in the oil and gas industry. So we're going to look into their projects here. We're going to pick a project and then dig into one of these assets. In this case, we're modeling hydraulic cylinders that are working out in the oil and gas field. And so that's where this one is located. We can click immediately. We'll get a view of the live data that's flowing off of this. Okay, in this case, you can see there are two data elements configured for this hydraulic cylinder. We've got top pressure, so this is the pressure on the top of the hydraulic cylinder, as well as temperature. Later on, we'll be showing you how you can set rules and alerts for any of these data elements. So you get live data here. You can zoom out and in. You can look at most recent time windows here and get historical data directly. If we go back far enough, we may actually see some changes. So here you can see what's happened recently. There was a bump in pressure, probably over where the rules would fire, and we'd get an alert, and then it's dropped back down. Additionally, you can click through and see a more advanced chart. So we do have the ability to show much more complicated dashboards out in our cloud, where it's the same data you're seeing in ServiceNow, but you have many more gauge types. For in this case, we have histograms, and it's easier to drill in on the data and see live data as well. It's the same data you're seeing in ServiceNow, but it's just a little more visually complex. Okay, so let's take a look at how we might set up alerts. So in this case, we may have an issue if, let's say, pressure is above 250 PSI, let's say. So we have a rules engine. We actually have three types of rules engines inside of our application. We have event rules, time series rules, and vision rules. In this case, we only use event and time series in this workspace, and I'm only going to be looking at time series right now.